Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to see dahlia flower making using waste or blouse piece material. I'm going to take a blouse piece. You can take any waste cloth you want. I cut them into strips and then folded them. I drew a leaf design on a cardboard so that we get uniform shape and cut this cloth accordingly. You can take any cloth, any color of your choice, and cut them. Just to get uniform shapes, I took out the cardboard piece and drew the design. Now using a candle, I'm going to burn the edges because otherwise the threads come out. Please keep the cloth as far as possible. It's only through heat it should get rolled, otherwise it becomes black like this. I'm taking similar color thread. You can take any color thread because it won't be visible. I have taken Bukram sheets, one round cutout. You can also take plastic sheet, a little thick one. Now I'm going to fold it on both sides just like the one shown in the video and hold it and stitch it. How many ever rounds you make, that much dense the flower will become. You can make big or small flowers. You can use these flowers to decorate your children's frock. You can use this to decorate your children's frock or hairband and also for the blouses, or you can use it for decoration or rangoli. It will look really pretty. So like this, one layer is over. Now in between the two I'll put one more and create a second layer. So 3 to 4 layers you can make, seeing the gaps between the petals. You can make different vibrant colors and it will look very pretty. I'll show you soon. You can also give it as decorative flower to Lakshmi Devi on left and right as well. If you like our channel content and you find it creative, please like, share and subscribe. I believe this is a new idea and you would have not seen on internet. So this is the second layer completed. Now for the third layer I am just filling the gaps. Like this, try to pull the flower inside as you go layers inside. Don't worry about the thread, it won't be visible. Later we'll cover with the same cloth piece. So like this we'll fill up all the gaps. You don't need big stitching skills for this. Just go in out, that's it. So now it's complete. Now from inside it is just the cloth is coming out, so I'll just secure it with some stitches, just random stitches. I hope you will make this at home and enjoy your festive season. If you make it before, you can use in each festival in different forms. You can also use this for background decorations. Now I'll take a piece of cloth which is of the same color and try to add in the center so that the stitches are not visible. I'm taking fabric glue. You can also take Fevicol. You can wash this cloth as well, cloth flower, if it gets dirty. Now I'm taking wool and trying to create a pom-pom just to add it as a center pollen. So I'm just making 25 rounds, tying it in center and then cutting it out. I have many creative videos on my channel. If you like it, please watch it and leave the comment in the comment section. I'm opening those thread and then trimming it out. You can make how big or small you want to and keep it in any color you want to. I'm taking a small wire which is flexible and trying to insert it within the hole and then securing it. The bukram sheet I took 2 rounds actually. One round we used it for the flower, the other one I colored it as green Fevicryl paint. I'll use the green one backside and using this same wire secure it. Just crunch the flower towards the top. See, now so beautiful dahlia is ready. To cover the golden color of the wire, I am using the gum tape. Isn't it looking very real? If you make a lot of colors, it will look more nice. I'll show you. See, I've made many vibrant colors. It looks so pretty. You can use this in your festive decorations or your blouse decorations. Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Happy festival. Have a great day.